Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we have a B2B repair for PS5. It's going to be the front USB port and the HDMI port. So we're going to go ahead and start with our flukes and hit it with some low malt. There we go. Gotta get all these little 4 pins. And then we can get the port off here. Alright. So it may get a little loud, you might want to turn down your audio. In a 3, in a 2, and a 1. Come on. There we go. I don't know, some might say this is actually more difficult than the HDMI because those little capacitors and stuff that could get knocked off, some kind of filter and capacitor on the other side there. But I think it's kind of fun. This one don't want to clear out. And as per usual, I like to say the usual PSA. If you have a fume extractor, use it. If you don't have one, get it and use it. Don't be like me. I'm only doing this so you guys could hear what I'm saying. And I'm doing the Alright, we're pretty much clear. Yeah, we should be clear. Oh. That hole don't want to clear out. There we go. And just make sure this one's clear and then we can move forward. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward. All right, so we are cleared out. Let's go ahead and get our port in here. So, let's see, it goes like, been a while since I did one. I think it goes that way. No, I had it right. Hey, there we go. All right, so now that we got that in there, let me get this in here. It's not quite flush enough. Give me one moment. All right, I need something to stabilize it so I can solder it. It's probably the most difficult part of the whole thing is keeping it stable while you're working on it. There we go. Alright, so now that that's in place, get our Kester solder. There we go. Okay, that one looks good. Good. We need more solder. So that's the finished product. Alright, I went ahead and verified using the voltmeter that all connections are good. So let's move on to the HDMI. Alright, the port's prepped, let's get it off. Doing everything I can to wrap this up quick because it's already up to about 6.5 minutes. Alright, audio may get loud, you can turn it down in 3, 2, 1. Alright, awesome. No torn pads, so no jumper wires today. Let's go ahead and clear these off so we can get the new port on, get these folks back to gaming again. Okay, we're almost there on this side. That one hole don't want to clear out, man. There we go. Alright, now we just need to do this side and then the pins. And we could get this done. Oh. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, I missed one pin. There. Alright, may get a little loud. Might want to turn down your audio. And a 3, and a 2, and a 1.